Alright, Harbor Freight mini mill first startup. Harbor Freight mini lathe startup. That's what I'm doing first. Safety glasses. Safety glasses. Alright. So, to start, adjust controls, stop, make sure all front controls are set to off or 0. So make sure everything's set to off or 0. So 0, 0, 0. It's all set up on reverse, so you're doing the same thing first. Close chuck guard, so make sure that's closed. Make sure all controls are to 0. Plug lathe in, which I have done. Move forward, off, reverse switch to desired rotation or direction. Down for forward. Power switch on. I got light, so that's good. Turn variables desired speed to where I need to go, and then bring it back to 0. Turn it to off, and then the power switch. So I'm on high speed. Seems to work. Bring that to 0 and off. Switch to low speed forward. Let's see. Plug in lathe, forward switch. So right to left. That's low speed. Now we'll bring the cutter this way, tram it this way, I guess we'd call it. Forward on. And cutter's moving. There's a stop, so you might hit the thing. So bring it back to.
Are you okay over there?
Yeah.
Good.
Off. So switch off, and then back this way. So now we'll pull this, go into reverse on the feeder. Forward, left to right, remember, follow the direction here. Engage, tram, and it's going back. So I got everything greased. Awesome. Turn it back to high speed, put this in neutral. Okay, that's it. Mini lathe. First operation.